Fungus are eukaryotic organisms, include mushrooms, molds, and yeast, classified on the basis of formation of spores. Chytrids, chytrid word literally means little pot. Chitin cell wall are present. Whiplash flagellum is present. Alpha amino adipic acid AAA pathway is present. Basidiomycota. These are club fungus. Zygomycota are bread molds. Ascomycota are sac-like fungus. They form non-motile spores. Kingdom fungus is divided into Chytridiomycota, Zygomycota, Ascomycota, and Basidiomycota. Now comes classification of fungus. One group is they do not form hyphae, lack cell wall, ingestion of nutrients by phagocytosis. These are slime molds, Gymnomycota. The next group is hyphae, growth is present. They possess cell wall, obtain nutrient by absorption. Fungus with centriole produce flagellated cells. These are Oomycota, Chytridomycota. Next is fungus without centriole, no motile cells. They are divided into Zygomycota, Ascomycota, Basidiomycota, and Deuteromycota. This is image of chytrid. This is image of Basidiomycota. This image is showing Zygomycota or bread mold. This image is showing Ascomycota. Black fungus or mucormycosis is also known as black fungus. It is rare but dangerous infection. It is caused by a group of molds called mucormycetes and affects sinus, lungs, skin and brain. Sinus, lungs, skin और brain को ये affect करता है. You can inhale the mold spores or come into contact with them like soil, rotting produce, bread or compost piles. Risk is the infection can happen to anyone at any age. Most people come into contact with the fungus at some point in their everyday lives, but more likely to get sick if have weakened immune system because of a medicine taking due to health condition like diabetes, especially when it is not under control, HIV or AIDS, cancer, organ transplant, stem cell transplant, etc. Neutropenia is low white blood cell count, long-term steroid use, injected drug use, high level iron in the body, bad health from poor nutrition, uneven level of acid in the body, that is metabolic acidosis, premature birth, low birth weight, skin injury like burn, cut or wound. Cases have been reported in people with COVID-19. Mucormycosis is not contagious. The symptoms of mucormycosis will depend on where in your body the fungus is growing. They may be causing fever, cough, chest pain, shortness of breath, हाफना जिसे अपन कहते हैं, swelling on one side of your face, headache, sinus congestion, black lesion on the bridge of your nose or inside your mouth, belly pain, nausea, vomiting, gastrointestinal bleeding, blood in stool, diarrhea. Skin is infected, the area can look blistered, red or swollen. It might turn black or feel warm and painful. Infection can also spread to other parts of the body through blood. This is called disseminated mucormycosis. When this happens, the fungus can affect organs like spleen and heart. In severe cases, this may have changes to mental state or go into coma and even can be deadly. Diagnosis and treatment of mucormycosis. If you suspect mucormycosis, doctor will give physical examination and ask your medical history. Let them know if you have been spoiled foods around yourself and other places in which fungal spores are often found. There has been a rampant rise in number of fungal infections reported among the people, especially those who have recovered from coronavirus infection. Now comes yellow fungus. After black fungus and white fungus infection, cases of yellow fungus infection have been reported in India, which doctors warn is much scarier. According to reports, one of the first cases of yellow fungus infection have been identified in Ghaziabad, Uttar Pradesh, while the disease hasn't been notified by health experts or government authorities. The behavior of the disease has been flagged off as concerning. According to some reports, the patient who has been diagnosed with yellow fungus was already infected by both black and white fungal infection. Doctors have suggested yellow fungus infection could be more dangerous than black and white fungus, requires more attention from very beginning since it is an infection which can cause heavy internal damage and some of the ways you can safeguard of your health. Black fungus infection has been declared an epidemic in some states. Yellow fungus infection isn't exactly new. Medically known as mucor doctors have said that the infection was not previously seen in humans, but only in reptiles. Yellow fungus infection, much like other fungal infection, spreads via contaminated environment or when a suspected patient inhales molds, mycomets which grow in the environment. What makes this infection different from white and black fungus infection is the manner of its spread. Black fungus starts off with distinct facial disfiguration. Yellow fungus infection starts to cause symptoms by launching attack on body's internal organs. So this is more dangerous, disturbing vital bodily processes. Since the damage caused by the infection is much more dangerous, severe, experts now warn people to start recognizing the infection from day one and seek. Fungal infections spread when a person inhales molds and are found in the environment. Now, yellow fungus infections could also be spread via high level of humidity, presence of contaminated food, poor hygiene, unsanitary conditions remain to be prime reason for infection. While fungal infections can primarily attack people with compromised immunity, yellow fungus or other fungal infections being talked about aren't exactly contagious. They cannot spread from person to person like other respiratory diseases, COVID-19. The risk of external spread hasn't been found or studied in detail as yet. Risk, spread and contagious. Yellow fungus infections can be a primary or secondary infection. However, from what has been evidently seen so far, the risk more aggravated for person having compromised immunity, frail health, suffering from pre-existing problems like uncontrolled diabetes, high cholesterol, which cause inflammation and reduce body's ability to fight off infections and skin trauma. As seen with COVID-19 recovered cases, a rise in fungal infection has been reported among those put on prolonged oxygen support or have been prescribed steroid use. Use of steroids have now come under scrutiny from leading medical authorities. It can also develop in skin. Additionally, the Center for Disease Control Prevention (CDC) state the risk of fungal infections are also high for people who have spent a long time under intensive care unit ICU, have had organ transplant recently suffering from immune complication or low WBC count, are dependent on extensive antibacterial or steroid use, have kidney damage or put on dialysis. Symptoms of infection as per available case studies. Following are the broad symptoms of yellow fungus infection: disrupted digestion, slow metabolism, unexplained weight loss, pus leakage, loss of appetite, malnutrition, scrawny sunken eyes. Lack of energy, lethargy and fatigue, necrosis, delayed healing of wound, prolonged recovery timeline. Compromised immunity help fungal infection thrive. People suffering from uncontrolled diabetes, history of diabetes, should be doubly careful of keeping their blood sugar level under control. As for patients battling COVID-19, since reason for the spread of these hazardous molds is unsanitary environment, one must ensure that proper disinfection is followed. Those on oxygen therapy should also ensure that oxygen is well filtered and not contaminated, such as with unclean water. Indiscriminate usage of steroids and related medications should be curtailed. Follow proper mask mandates and maintain personal hygiene. Wearing clothes which do not expose the skin to probable contaminated surfaces may also go one step further to protect. Candidiasis is a fungal infection due to any type of candida or type of yeast. When it affects the mouth, in some countries it is called thrush. Candida normally lives on skin, inside the body, places such as mouth, throat, gut, vagina without causing any problem. Signs and symptoms include white patches on the tongue or other areas of mouth and throat. Other symptoms may include soreness and problems swallowing. Fungus spreads in the body. The white fungus begins from the tongue or private parts, due to which it makes tongue white. It then spreads to other organs along with lungs, brain, and food pipe. Symptoms are white patches on the inner cheeks, tongue, roof of mouth, throat, showing candidiasis in the mouth, redness or soreness, cotton-like feeling in the mouth, loss of taste, pain while eating or swallowing, cracking the redness at the corners of mouth. Risk candidiasis in mouth, throat or esophagus is uncommon in healthy adult. People who are at higher risk include babies especially. Those younger than 1 month of age or people with at least one of these factors: wearing dentures, diabetes, cancer, HIV/AIDS, take antibiotics or corticosteroids, including inhaled corticosteroids, conditions like asthma, taking medications that cause dry mouth, medical conditions that cause dry mouth, smoking, preventing candidiasis or white fungus in the mouth, maintain good oral health, rinse your mouth, brush your teeth after using inhaled corticosteroids. Treatment: candidiasis in mouth, throat, or esophagus is treated with antifungal medicine. The treatment for mild to moderate infections, the mouth or throat is usually an antifungal medicine applied to the inside of mouth 7 to 14 days. These medications include clotrimazole, miconazole, nystatin. For severe infections, fluconazole is used. Antifungal medication taken by mouth or through vein. It is to be noted that white fungus is considered more dangerous than black fungus. Some very famous doctors of Delhi and Patna died due to this fungus. If patient does not get better after taking fluconazole, healthcare providers may prescribe different antifungus. The treatment of candidiasis in esophagus is given as fluconazole. Other type of prescription antifungal medicines can also be used. It is more dangerous than black fungus. Signs and symptoms include white patches on tongue and other parts, mouth and throat, soreness and problem in swallowing. The white fungus begins from tongue and private parts of the body. Tongue becomes white, also spread lungs, brain and food pipes. Thank you.